Want a shake tutorial? Let's go, I got you. First go to CapCut. Choose any clips or video you want. Then adjust it or cut it. Add sound first. It's up to you if you want sound or extract it. If you already of the sound or audio or anything, just put it and tap it. Then cut the clip you want. And it's up to you if you want the full clip or if you just have a little bit adjustments. Then delete first clip. Delete the sound or audio. Export it. Click this. Delete the clip you already exported. Then go to make it. Click the speed adjustment. Choose that clip you exported. Click the check. Adjust it until you reach the O1. Export it. Go back to CapCut. Put that clip you exported from TimeCut. Cut until you reach the end of the sound. It's up to you if you want to put blur in it or not. Now go to the middle part of the video or clip. Click Effect. Find that shake in Basic. Click it. Adjust. Speed full intensity 15.